And now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
Clear skies, but not quite as chilly this morning. This is a live look at Midland early on your Thursday morning. We're right around sunrise. We have a good look at the Wilco building. If you notice off in the distance, those golden colors, those pinks and purples along the horizon. From sunrise to sunset, from Midland to Odessa, beautiful scenes have been the big story. And speaking of one scene that I captured yesterday in Odessa, of those rain clouds that moved on through and fiery clouds along the horizon, and those patches of yellow colors indicating the clear skies, but above and in the foreground of these fiery colored clouds in the horizon, rain clouds, those darker clouds, were the big story yesterday. Briefly bring in some much needed rainfall in parts of the basin. So yeah, February coming in like a lamb, while January ended like a lion as rain clouds and clear skies. Now the big story. Rain clouds were the big story. Now clear skies the big story. Those rain clouds, rain showers moving pretty quickly off now toward the northern eastern part of the Lone Star State and farther to the north and east in Arkansas, Oklahoma. Now we have some high-level clouds moving through Arizona and New Mexico, moving closer into the basin. But our next piece of energy, stormy weather in the southwest, will swing on closer into the basin with more rain and more thunderstorms and more beautiful scenes during sunrise and sunset times. But for this morning, mostly cloud-free, but also a little bit drier and breezier and warmer as well. As a result, 47 at the airport in Midland, south-southwesterly winds at 8 miles per hour. A little humid at the surface, 80% relative humidity, but good visibility at 10 miles. Winds starting to pick up not only there in Midland, Odessa, the Big Spring, 5 to 15 mile per hour sustained winds generally from the south, but also in the Van Horn region, southwesterly winds in these blue colored areas, again around the Van Horn region along I-10, picking up between 10 to 15 miles per hour later today, close to 15 to 25 miles per hour. This is a prelude to what's to come, the stronger winds, especially again the Van Horn region, the Guadalupe Pass to Carlsbad and Hobbs, west southwesterly winds picking up from 15 to 25 miles per hour, a little bit less windy in Midland and Odessa. Partly to mostly sunny, warming up to 74 southwesterly winds, creating the mild air and the drier air in the atmosphere in the afternoon. Not quite as cold of a start. 47 in Midland, mid to upper 30s in the Carlsbad-Hobbs region, 40s and low 50s elsewhere. Warming up eventually in the 60s, 70s, and close to the low 80s for many. Mid 70s along I-10 and I-20. A beautiful day to enjoy the outdoors. Overnight, partly to mostly clear skies in the 50s, more humid as winds starting to switch back from the south-southeast from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Partly to mostly sunny, so great day to enjoy the outdoors. But again, overnight to tomorrow morning, we'll see some light rain showers in the Carlsbad-Hobbs region. Sky showers and thunderstorms drifting off to the east. Those green and yellow colored areas on that radar loop showcasing thunderstorms starting off around 3 p.m. 71, that will be the high temperature tomorrow as opposed to 74 today. So above normal temperatures today as the storm moves out by this weekend. Clear skies with lower temperatures and stronger winds, and then more pleasant by next week.